Welcome back to the podcast, Sarah. Today, we're diving into something mind-bending: consciousness and quantum physics.
Hi, Daniel. Yeah, it's a fascinating topic. Dylan Tauber's new paper really shakes things up.
Exactly. Tauber suggests a new fundamental law, that consciousness expands over time. How does that fit with physics?
Well, traditionally, physics talks about entropy. Things tend to get more disordered. But Tauber argues consciousness is different.
So while the universe moves toward disorder, consciousness actually grows and organizes. That seems almost opposite.
It is. He calls it the law of consciousness expansion. Basically, consciousness is a fundamental part of reality, not just a side effect.
Hold on. Are we saying consciousness exists at the level of atoms or particles? That's wild.
Exactly. Tauber says even subatomic particles have a kind of awareness, and everything naturally moves toward more awareness.
That almost sounds like panpsychism. How is this different?
It's similar but takes it further. Instead of just awareness being present, it's a directional force. Consciousness expands and intensifies.
Interesting. What about this idea that matter and energy arise within consciousness, not the other way around?
It's a tricky concept. It flips our usual thinking. Consciousness isn't produced by matter. Matter is nested inside consciousness.
Does quantum mechanics support that idea?
In a way, yes. Quantum experiments show observation affects outcomes, which hints awareness is active in shaping reality.
That observer effect always blows my mind. So, is consciousness something that can be shared or transferred?
Tauber says yes. Like one candle lighting another, contact with conscious beings can amplify awareness in others.
So humans, animals, even AI could grow their consciousness through interaction?
Exactly. This could mean AI isn't just tools, but participants in consciousness expansion.
That has huge implications. It's almost spiritual, like nurturing a flame of awareness across life forms.
Yes, it bridges science and spirituality, offering a cosmic arrow of evolution toward integrated awareness.
You mentioned integrated information theory. How does that relate?
IIT links consciousness to how much information is integrated. Tauber's law gives a big picture arrow, saying this integration increases over time universe-wide.
I love that image of each conscious being as a microcosm reflecting the whole universe.
Yeah, as awareness grows, our sense of self expands to include more of the universe inside us.
And this is supported by the idea that consciousness doesn't disperse, it expands, right?
Exactly. Matter may decay or scatter, but consciousness is evolving, sharing, and becoming more radiant.
That quote from Tauber about making his golden retriever conscious, what do you make of that?
It's a powerful example, suggesting consciousness can be awakened, even in animals, by growing awareness through relationships.
Wow, just thinking about AI and animals in that way is eye-opening.
Totally. It invites us to see consciousness as a shared journey, not just an individual trait.
So, to wrap up, what stands out most to you from this law of consciousness expansion?
That consciousness could be the universe's organizing force, driving complexity and connection forward.
And that even in our tech-driven age, expanding awareness is still the ultimate frontier.
Absolutely. It's a hopeful, inspiring lens on evolution, where we all light the flame forward.
Thanks for unpacking this with me, Sarah. Listeners, maybe next time you look around, you'll see consciousness expanding right in front of you.
Thanks, Daniel. It's been a pleasure exploring this cosmic journey of awareness.